This is LAFD Hilo 5 on scene of Clip V rescue. We have visual.
Copy Hilo 5.
What's the girl's name?
Natalie.
Metro, connect her cell to our sat phone.
Hilo 5, you're connected.
Hello?
Natalie, this is Chief Pilot Raymond Gaines of the Los Angeles Fire Department. I'm piloting the chopper above you. You holding up all right?
I don't know. I'm not feeling very well. Oh my god, the car is sliding!
Natalie, I'm gonna need you to stay calm, honey. We're coming to get you, okay?
Okay.
Ray, I don't see a way in.
We're gonna tip the hat.
Tip the hat?
Yeah. You might want to hold on to something.
Here we go.
Feet out. 10 feet. 5. Whoa, easy, Ray. You got it.
All right, tuck them in, boys. Jovi, forget the basket. We gotta do a double tie-in on this one. That car goes, so does she.
Up.
On the skid.
We got 5 minutes max.
What happens in 5 minutes?
It's no big deal. Just engine failure. Good thing I only need 3.
No, Natalie, do not move!
Oh my god, get me out of
Natalie,
here!
I need you to stay perfectly still. I have to stabilize the car, okay?
Hurry, please!
Car secured.
Got it. The hell?
Shit.
Whoa!
Oh my god, are you alright?
Jesus! Joby's pinned!
Oh, God damn it. Jovi, I'm coming down. Harrison, you're flying. Marcus, rig me a rope. Hand it over.
Take it over.
Be ready to cut.
Roger that.
Hooked up. Out the door. Race clear.
Natalie, don't you worry. I'm gonna get you out of here.
This thing isn't gonna hold!
Ray, we are in the red! We are going to crash!
Natalie, we are going now. I got you. Got it!
Joby, swing!
What do we say we get you home now?
I think that's a really good idea.